How to make $10,000 per month online, the easiest way. Making $10,000 a month online might sound impossible, but what if I told you it's easier than you think? No experience, no upfront investment, just a simple method that works. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start making money online, step by step. Step 1. The method. There are hundreds of ways to make money online, but most of them are complicated, expensive, or take forever to see results. But today, I'll show you a method that's fast, simple, and proven to work. The method? Chosen model, e.g., AI-powered affiliate marketing, digital products, print on demand. Thousands of people are using this right now to generate consistent income, and you can too. Step 2. The process. This is how you do it in 3 simple steps. 1. Pick a profitable niche. Choose something people are already spending money on. Think about fitness, finance, tech, or trending products. 2. Leverage AI and automation. Use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or System.io to do 90% of the work for you. This means less effort, more results. Scale and repeat. Once you make your first $100, reinvest and double down to hit $10,000 faster. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and use the right tools to speed up the process. Step 3. Real proof and success stories. Still not sure if this works? Here's proof. Real people making money online using this exact method. Show screenshots of Stripe, PayPal, or real testimonials. You don't need special skills. You don't need a big budget. You just need the right strategy. Now, you have 2 choices. Keep scrolling and let this opportunity pass, or take action right now. I've put together a free step-by-step guide to help you start today. Click the link in the description and start making money now. This method is working right now. Don't miss out.